Hi Rizaleños, we checked out the Bistro by LeBlanc and guess what? They got new offers you seriously don't wanna miss. Unahin na natin to, the Bistro Lava Pancakes. And look at that drip, grabe ang sarap niyan. Available in 4 flavors, chocolate, blueberry, strawberry, and Biscoff. For only 269 pesos each. You pour, it will drip, and you'll indulge. Next up, the Bistro Barbecue Sampler. For 1,899, sulit to pang barkada or family feast. Plus mo pa itong mga sauces nila, barbecue sauce, chimichurri at salsa. Tinry din namin itong ang lakas nilang makasyala na corn riblets.
It's like, can I buy inihaw na mais sa the bistro?
Plus guys, it's a grilled corn pero ang pinagkaiba is yung Mexican spices, yung parmesan, and yung zest de lime na nilagay nila. You should try this dahil guys, ang sarap talaga. At syempre, hindi kompleto ang aming visit kung walang dessert. The Bistro Overloaded Halo-Halo is the perfect way to cool down. Siksik, liglig at overloaded talaga. So kung naghahanap kayo ng mga kakaibang food trip this summer, try nyo na dito sa The Bistro by LeBlanc.